Every evolution begins with a revolution. And to make the revolution, it takes courage. To change the rules, the mindset, the space. There's nothing that is a limit. Neither a home, nor a city, nor even a custom. Be creative, find your freedom, and take it with you. You can express yourself wherever you are. Be stylish, versatile, unique every time you want. Conquer a new dimension of yourself. Then change perspective, put everything on the line. In another place, authenticity and experience endure. Best-in-class technology too. We change to evolve, and we evolve to be better. Ignite, warm up, prepare for this revolution. Evolution awaits you. Revolutionary cooking.